Hello friends, my name is Momo. I do DIYs, upcycles and sewing projects. I'm a creator and a designer and I love sewing, draping and pattern cutting, and here on YouTube I share with you all my makes. I'm mostly self-taught, but I have also taken some professional courses. My journey started with alterations because I am short and I have body proportions that do not fit the commercial cut and sew pattern. So that's where I started. I started this channel to share with you my makes and all the things that I learned through the process. So please stick around. I post videos pretty much every week. If you like my content, please consider subscribing